COOLTOY friends. Today we have a full box sent by Schylling, the toy company, and you are going to help me get everything out of it. Let's go. Here's the box. So I'm gonna start by getting rid of some of the paper. I'm so excited. Oh, there we go. The first one is a chameleon and it's called Rebellions. Magically changes in warm water. Let's see. Hot water and let's go for it. Oh, it does change. What if we try with a little of cold water? So hot and cold. Hot and cold. What else do we have here? We got another Rebellions. This one is in red and orange. Wait, there is another one right there. Let's see. Ooh, change of colors immediately in the hot water. Then we're gonna go for cold. Nice, refreshing. Wait, did I mention that they are also very nice and squishy? And you can extend them a little bit, like this. But don't pull too hard because they may break, right? I can pull them, but not too much. Very cool. Wait, let's see what we have here. We get a little hamster, although I could have sworn that it was squirrel. But it's a hamster and it says chunky cheeks, the funny munching cheek popping pets. And let's see. Oh, it feels so good, very satisfying, very. Look at this. Let's see what else they sent us. Another hamster. The feeling is extremely satisfying. I cannot even describe it. It's like being in heaven. And this one is the same than the first one, right? Yep, we got twins. They look so cute and adorable. Next, what else do we have here? Oh, what's this? It's a little puppy. Pops. Squeeze popping puppies. Let's try. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the eyes. It comes out. Is it only one eye that comes out? Let's see. Wow, very cool. Love it. And very squishy and soft to the touch. There we go. There we go. Next, we got another puppy. And this one is tired, or maybe it was running because it has the tongue out. Ooh, so cool. Look at that, guys. Love it. How about this red face? Guys, look at this dragon's head. It's so cool. And that tongue. Love it. And you can pull that tongue. I mean, you can really abuse that tongue. It can take it. So go for it. I don't know why I love doing this. It's satisfying. Oh, wow. Next, this looks like another head. This one is a bear head. And it's so cool. Look at him. Wow. 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 Next. This one is called The Hat Has a Hairball. So we got 3 balls. This animal looks like a cat, right? I mean, it ate everything. Wow! Look at this, guys. Wow! So I guess you put one of the balls inside of its mouth, right? And then let's try with the pink one. There we go. So we're gonna do it to us. Go. What? It went backwards. What the heck? I love this type of toys. They are so funny. Oh my gosh, look at that tongue and the face. What else do we have here? Another puppy. Oh, look at those eyes. Next, what is this? So cool. It says Squeeze Toy Panic Pete. This is a normal, calm face. And then when somebody says, bananas are gone. Wah! No, no, no. Next, let's go for this one. And it's very, very cute. It has, what, milk inside with some feet in there. It says Popchino. So let's read. It's so cute! Guys, look at this. Boom! Let's see from behind. I prefer from the front, of course. Yay! This is my cup of tea, really. 4 flavors to collect. Oh, can you tell that I'm having a lot of fun? Let's go for this one. We get a red cup, and this time we have ta-da, a little black cat with green eyes. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, what else? Another cup. And this red cup has a white little kitty. So cute. Next, we get another reptile. Hot. Oh my goodness. So cool. Look at that, guys. It's like a clear almost with stripes in orange. Very, very cute. And then we put it back in the cold water and it becomes very dark green with the stripes. Next, I think that there are more of those cups. Let's get them all out. Very cute. Totally adorable. Look at that tongue. And the last 2 for the cups are these ones. 2 more puppies. This gray puppy and this brown puppy. What else do we have? We get a little dragon. Look at that tongue. It's supposed to be fire, right? So let's see how it works. That is so neat. Wow, guys. Look at that. Oh, I think this is my favorite one. Fire in the air. We got 3 eggs here. Let's see how they work. Oh, unicorns. The eggs are hatching, guys. Look at this one. And then the unicorn, after it gets tired of being out in the air, goes back for a nap. And it says Hatcher's Unicorn, Squeezy Peak. What else do we have here? Anything else? Okay, so let's go for this one. And this toy is called Squish the Frog. Beautiful. This frog is so pretty. Very cool. So let's see. It has like water beads inside. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, it's very, very satisfying. Oh, this frog, I love it. And guys, the great thing about this type of toys is that if it gets dirty, all you have to do is a little bit of soap and water and it will fix it all. Okay, so we have a few boxes. Let's take one. It says Chip Away Diamond. 1 box in 24 has a real diamond. Wow, it will be amazing to get a diamond. I mean, I already broke the seal. So let's see what we have. We get a magnifier, a chisel, and a mallet, plus a big blue diamond. Can you imagine, guys, if we can get a diamond out of this? Yes, I see something right there. Oh yeah, I need to get rid of the top. Yes, we got rid of the top. Love it. Is it a volcano rock? Almost there, guys. Almost there. Yes, we got it out. I honestly think this is a volcano rock. Yeah, I think so. We have another of these boxes. We're gonna leave it for short or a TikTok. And we got 3 gold ones. So we're gonna do one. It says chip away gold. 1 box in 24 has real gold. Okay, so this is kind of like the same thing than the diamond one. This one has a hammer, a chisel, and a magnifier as well. And you can get a black line jasper, a picture jasper, a tiger eye, a red onyx, a volcano rock, which is what we got before, and a rose crystal. I'll put the gold right on top. And it is so cool how they make it look like a gold bullion. We're gonna get in there, no matter what. So I'm gonna go and dig in directly into the middle. Ooh, we're lucky. We got something already. I know. Oh yeah, guys, we're doing good here. Ow! Oh, wow. That was quick. Ah, look at that, guys. Nice. We got the black line jasper. No gold for us. And the last one is the Naughty Squirrel Poppers. Squeeze it and see. Okay. It's a cute little stump tree with a squirrel inside. Look at the little arms. It's like, hi, I want to give you a hug. Okay, guys, this is all we got for this unboxing. Thanks to Schylling for sending all these cute little toys to us. We really enjoy them very, very, very much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.